Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix X video content not available. First, check your internet connection. Make sure your phone is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. Try opening another app or website to confirm your internet is working properly. Next, close the X app completely. Swipe up and remove from the recent app. Then open it again. This refresh the app and fix small glitches. Now check for the update. For that, go to the App Store, search app and tap update if one is available. An outdated app can stop video for loading. After that, check your sensitive content setting. For that, tap on your profile picture, then go to setting and privacy, then privacy and safety, tap continue you see or content you see, and turn on display media that contains sensitive content. Then tap search setting and turn off hidden sensitive content. If you don't see this option in the app, open Safari and go to twitter.com, log in there and change the setting over there. If video still won't play, try switching network from Wi-Fi to mobile data or from mobile data to Wi-Fi. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.